Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use the GW-Instek GPE3323 DC power supply. Uh, as you can see, this DC power supply has three channels. Okay, the channel 1 and 2 are adjustable. The channel 3 is a 5 volt 5 amp constant DC source. Okay. Now you can turn on and turn off the device using this button here. Now, whatever channel that you use, okay, you need to use the respective knobs to set the voltage and current for that channel. So these two are for channel 1 and the other two for channel 2. So how we can do that is very simple. When you want to set the values, you use the top knob for the voltage. So if you change that, you can see I can change the voltage to whatever voltage that I want. And the maximum is around 30 volt. Okay. And the bottom one is the limit of the current. So how much current this source would inject to my system. Now be careful. When you want to set this connect this source to your circuit. Okay, if you don't set that limit to a precise, accurate limit, then and unlike for example, your circuit needs more current that you set here. This device would not provide that, so that means your circuit is not functioning properly. By this knob, you can change the amp limit. You see that the amp limit of your channel. Same goes for the channel 2. Okay, same goes for the knobs for the channel 2. Now, you see two buttons here that sets the two channels either independent of each other, so they work independently. So now you have two voltage source, or you can serial parallel these two. So if both of the knobs are out, these two are independent. If the knob near the channel 1 is out and the knob near the channel 2 is in, now the two voltage source are in series, and if both bottom are in, now both of them are in parallel. It actually shows you in the screen too. Now, when you use series and parallel connection between the two channels, this is a safety issue. Okay, and you have to pay attention to that. You need to set both voltage and currents equal to each other. So whatever voltage you want, for example, the maximum of each channel is around 30. So if you want a 40 volt, which is beyond the capability of one channel, you put them in parallel. You put them in series, okay, and you divide that 40 volt that you want between the two channels, so 20/20. Or if you want more than 3 amp, because the limit of each of those channels are 3 amp, okay, if you want more than 3 amp for your current, you put these two in parallel, okay, and you set the voltages equal to each other at the desired voltage that you have, and set the currents in a way that both of them are equal and provide half of your desired total current that you want. Okay, and when you do all the setting, okay, you use this button to turn on the output. So now your output is on. Okay, so this is how you can work with this model of DC power supply.